guys, welcome back to a day in my life video. Thanks for tuning in to Few Words Spoken. And if you didn't know, my name is Demi. Nice for you to join me today. So in today's video, I will be making some returns, especially at TJ Maxx. I do need to return a nightstand that I purchased for my guest room. I bought it because I thought it would fit in there, and it did. But when I returned to purchase the other one, they were sold out. So we did look online to find some nightstands, and we did find some. They were at Home Depot, and they should be here next week. So yeah. And I do need to go to Target because I do want to see what is new. And I do want to try and go get my nails done. And as well as a pedicure as well. It is like 25 degrees here in South Carolina. Don't get me wrong, I do love cold weather, even though I am a Floridian girl. But I do like it cold. I just don't like it too cold, okay? But anyways, I do want to bring you guys along with me. And I do want to show you the nightstand that I am returning. So one moment. And I open the drawer, and then you can see that it has a drawer, and it goes like, you know, it's pretty decent. Yeah, this is the nightstand I am returning. Yeah, super cute and basic and plain. Yeah, so can't wait for the other nightstands to come. So I am doing a makeover in my guest room. My parents will be down here soon, so I want to make sure the room is nice and comfortable and cozy for them. Did I tell you I need to go get some conditioner for this dry hair? Yeah, okay, so let me show you real quick what I'm wearing. One moment. I have on my green sweatshirt I got from the Academy. It's like a Dick's Sporting Goods store here in South Carolina. I have on my Nordstrom Rack jean skirt. I have on my green and white Sambas Adidas. And I have on my, I'm carrying this bag, and I got this from TJ Maxx. I have on my Love Knot 14 karat gold earrings, and I have on my Shin hat, and of course my 14 karat gold ring. And I'm headed out the door. I will pick you guys up in a bit. Oh, I like this stand. How much is that stand? $40? That's nice for the and I like this table here. Put that in right in the corner. See, that's cute. Well, this small black one. This is 50. That's kind of big, but I would take this, maybe the black one. Or a brown one. That's nice. Modern. And it's heavy. It's heavy. Yeah. Oh, I like that too. That little stand. Right on the wall. Hey you guys, so if you're a returning subscriber, hey friend, And if you're new, we welcome you. Please join the family. We would love to have you. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Here. That's off your card, the receipt in there. Okay. So right now we are looking for planners and I don't see any. Well, that's my fault. I shouldn't wait to the last minute to get a planner. Right.
What about behind you?
All right, let's turn around. And they have them here. All right, so which one I want? I think I'll take this one right here, Matt. Right here, with the flowers. Want to grab that for me? Nope, not that one. That one. That's cute. Let me see how it looks inside. Mm-hmm.
You want this one?
I want a motorcycle.
I don't think so.
Why not?
Yeah, because nobody's scraping you up off the road.
You hear that, y'all?
Ain't no getting no motorcycle.
You gotta take these back. These on your card. Right here.
Pretty good.
$2. That's nice. Jean jacket. Let's try that on. It's only $35.
That's 2X.
Yeah, try it on.
I ain't no 2X.
Yes, it is.
Oh, still need a 3X.
It's on sale. Target got a sale. Look at this. It looks nice though.
It's nice. It's nice. I like
it. That'll be nice. How much is that picture? For the long? It's 2 of them?
It's 2, but I don't have no price.
Oh, it's 1. It's 1.
2, 1 behind.
I know, but very heavy. You can't even pick that up with one hand. Feel like a weight.
It's heavy.
Some weight to it.
Got it? That smells alright. I don't know how strong it will be though.
6. Then the Lonnie drinks are like $2.69 a piece, but you know you can get these from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. They have mostly all the drinks that I like. I like the Cosmic Stardust. Let me get one of these. Because I don't think the Dollar Tree has these. I know they have the Hawaiian shave and the watermelon kind. So let me just get this one. And they also have, what is this one? In the back, I am just knocking things down. This is raspberry. And they also have the pink slushie as well at the Dollar Tree. So yeah, let me get these. For you guys, I like this picture right here. I think that is so pretty for my loft area. Yeah, I think that is so pretty, and I think it's only $80. 80. And then I also like these two pictures over here. I like these two. They have two. It's by the brand Threshold, and they are $60 a piece. So they have actually two left. And look, this is cute. Family backpack. But yeah. So I do like that. Hello everyone, this video is a continuation of yesterday. So we went to like numerous of stores and I completely forgot to do a haul for y'all. I know, I am so sorry about that. However, while we were at Ross, I came across the cutest picture. Isn't this so cute? It was only $7.99 and I am trying to decide on where I should hang this. I was thinking about putting this in the kitchen, but I'm not 100% sure. So leave me a comment and let me know where I should hang this. Super, super cute. Also, while we were out, my husband picked up some beard oil and some pomades. He bought two of these brands by Everyman Jack and Cremo. He also picked up some Good Molecules, and I bought some shampoo and conditioner 2-in-1 by Dove Men Care. It's orange and sage. It smells okay, but I cannot use the white conditioner because it leaves my hair milky and I needed something clear. So yeah, I also picked up a planner at Staples. It's going to help me stay organized and keep me on track of my daily activities. I'm super excited to use this. So we're going to move over to the living room. I do want to give you an update on what I need to do as far as a refresh for my living room. So let's go over here. Moving on to the living room, I plan on doing a refresh in my living space by switching out this picture I got from Home Goods. And I'm going to replace it with like a traditional pictures. I guess I'm embracing my traditional lifestyle and I'm looking for like more like timeless and classic pieces that brings like warmness and character to my space. So if you have any recommendations, let me know on what I can add to this wall. And my wall is bare over here, and the reason why it's bare is because we took the TV upstairs and we put it in the loft, and we're gonna put a 70-inch TV there. So yeah, that is why that wall is bare. And also I would like to get some new curtains. I would like to bring some height to the ceiling to make it look, you know, bigger. So yeah, we are looking to get new curtains. So yeah, this is what I plan on doing. So stick around for that. Also, you guys, I am recording this video on my new DJI Osmo Pocket 3 I got for Hanukkah. I think it's very discreet and convenient for me to vlog because I don't like to draw a lot of attention to myself. And I'm just trying to get acclimated to the features. So I do want to apologize for the shakiness in the beginning of the video. I will try to improve on the next video. And speaking of the next video, I received some packages from like West Ham, Amazon, Williams Sonoma, and I'm super excited to unbox it with you guys. So stay tuned for the video soon, and Lord's will, I will see you on the next one. Hey guys, I forgot to show you my nails. I got the ombre design. Super, super cute. But can you tell me, are these still in style? I'm not even sure. But anyway, these are the nails. And I am out this time. All right, y'all. Until then, bye.